From
सर्बिया, यूरोप।
Europe.
हाँ
ये इंडिया में सफाई करने के लिए आए?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। You'll find mostly these things all around India. I would like to send my appreciation to all the auto drivers who helped me learn Hindi also. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए ना, तो साफ रखना है। There shouldn't be any financial fine. There should be clean-up fine. You throw one bottle on the road, you have to clean for 1 hour. So let's see how that will go. नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए. We just need to take responsibility and take care of our neighborhood. That's all. See, I came to India in 2018. I came for a modeling contract. I started pursuing yoga, different kind of therapies I'm doing with people. So I'm into this kind of this line of work, if you can call it, basically yoga and meditation. This thing I would never plan to organize anything as such. This just came very naturally because I actually love this country and I really want to see India clean. Ek din, Ek Gali. From today, it's not my challenge anymore. As you can see, good people from Gurugram have taken up their own initiative.
This is my 5th bag. You see all the green bags over there? That's my collection.
So it's been almost 7 years in India. So
Yes, almost 8 years in India actually.
Almost 8 years.
Yes.
How are you liking it? Like, how has it been?
I think it's very evident. I really love India. I think it's a beautiful place. I think the people are amazing. The food is amazing. We just need to clean up.
Nice.
Because everywhere I traveled, from Himalayas to Kerala, is the same problem. Like a beautiful place, beautiful people and culture, but dirty streets. And I think everybody needs to take this initiative together.
How does it all started? Like, you decided to clean by yourself?
I just went out. That's the thing. Like, I'm no scientist who came up with some algae or anything like that that dissolves garbage. I just went out on the road and I cleaned. And I feel like people just found that they saw it as an anomaly.
From
Serbia, Europe.
Europe.
हाँ
ये इंडिया में सफाई करने के लिए आए?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हमारा इंडिया साफ रखना है।
जी जी जी।
सभी को बोलिए।
And how did you learn Hindi?
Movies, sir. I'm watching movies. I'm listening to a lot of different songs. Like I like Kishore Kumar. I like 90s Hindi movies, music, and slowly. And auto drivers. I would like to send my appreciation to all the auto drivers who helped me learn Hindi also. So yes.
Nice.
Yes,
And favorite song?
Ooh, that's very
That's a
difficult.
difficult
But we can
question.
say नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए.
Nice. So nice. It's amazing. It's not a question from my side, but a lot of people would want to know. Do you know abusive words in Hindi?
Hey, bilkul, bro. But I'm not gonna say.
Your favorite one.
No. Actually, see, Nara Benchot. I'm in Delhi for too long. Like, this is something that everybody thought.
One last thing, like whoever is watching this video, what do you want to tell them? Because you are taking an initiative, but for a lot of people, it is not something they consider it as their job.
Okay.
So what do you want to tell them?
I'm not inviting anybody to go from Haryana to clean in Bihar, from UP to go to some other place. Just clean in front of your house. सभी को अपनी घर या दुकान के सामने 2 मीटर की दूर साफ रखना चाहिए बस.